Hello and welcome to the continuation of our tutorial section, and we are getting to the very final module for this tutorial. And in this very last section for this beginners course in Chem-sketch software, I will quickly be showing you how you can be able to make use of what we call the window template. Now, the window template is actually part of this software that enables you to get quick tools that have already been designed. So quickly I will get to this menu here which says open template window. Now quickly, as you click on this, a pop-up menu is going to appear. Now you can see here says structure, here says draw, alkaloids. So this is actually the first group of compounds here present. Now if you see here is saying one of 6 alkaloids, that means there are several groups up to 6, so you can use this arrow to navigate to see the different types of alkaloids present. So I'll get to my next page. You can get to the next page. Now this is page 3 of 6. Understand? Alright, so maybe for instance I just want to make do with this. I can just click on it, click on this very one. Now the moment you do this, you cannot be able to paste this structure here conveniently. So sometimes you will be required to draw some of these softwares. You don't really need to draw for some of them. They are already drawn by default here, and they are all stored in the template window. Now you can scroll down to see the amino acids. This is the alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, glycine, lysine, and the many like. So you can also scroll across so that you'll be able to see them, and these are the radical groups. So that's alright. So next to that is the aromatics. Now these are actually we've learned earlier how you can really draw them from scratch, but perhaps maybe there is a specification as to what aromatic group to use. You can quickly come to aromatics and get a default template to that. So this is the saturated fused ones, and this. Now the next is carbohydrates. We have the aldoses, ketoses, and different groups. So quickly you can just go through, and any one you want to make use of, you just need to just click on it, and after clicking on it you'll be able to paste it. If you are done, you can just return your tool so that you don't keep hanging with it. So I'll get back again to my template. This time I'll move on to carotenes. Now under the carotenes, as you can see them, you can click and have one to be able to make use. Of course, you can move across the pages also to be able to see the variety of the carotene groups. Now the next is chains, and this is how you can come about this also. This is using the IUPAC, the IUPAC naming system, showing that this is 2,3 dimethyl and the respective compounds. So these are some of the basic things you can really find on what we call your open window template. Now in the next tutorial I will show you quickly how to make use of this Chem-sketch software also to draw laboratory equipments very conveniently. So next to that, monocyclohexanes, alkanes rather, the end rings, the Newman projections. Now of course they are having different pages depending on actually what you intend to do. The Chem-sketch software has made work pretty easier for you. Now these are polycyclics. As you can see that you can move across to be able to see as much as many you need. Now these are steroids. Of course, steroid was used as a vaccine for COVID for trial, which is known as the dexamethasone. You can use this structure to be able to edit using your what we call the pseudo atom, which we have learned in our previous tutorial. Now these are for sugars across like that, like that, and like that. This is the virus and the vaccines for COVID. These are recent updates. Maybe if the version you have is not the recent version, you may not also have this, but these are updated in that. So these are vaccines. So that's that about this, and these are the COVID-19 virus vaccines type. So thank you for listening, and I hope you like this video. You can share and comment. If perhaps you have any question on what I've shown you or demonstrated, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you.